Hello everyone, welcome to this great short After Effects tutorial, and in this Adobe After Effects tutorial I am going to be teaching you the top keyboard shortcuts of Adobe After Effects, and it will be so much helpful to you. You will get more faster workflow in Adobe After Effects, and I'm teaching the shortest keyboard shortcuts known in Adobe After Effects. And without any more talk, let's get into my piece. And so here we are in Adobe After Effects, and now we'll be learning all the keyboard shortcuts that After Effects have. Now I will tell you that we will not learn all the shortcuts. I'm gonna just tell you the best ones I like to use. I always use these keyboard shortcuts in the tutorials, and I am going to be discussing you. This is totally my opinion. These shortcuts only I like special. For example, this video is 2 seconds long if I play it. Now for example, you want the video to start from here. You don't want this part. For example, think the video will start from here. So how to trim this video? To do that, simply press B on your keyboard to cut the work area from the beginning. This bar is called the work area. Then take your keyframe timeline indicator to the exact position where you want the video to end. For example, the video will be played from here to here, but I want the video to end over here. So the keyboard shortcut to close the workspace is N on your keyboard. Press N to close the workspace, and then you will notice the workspace only this little tiny bit. Now to resize it, just right click on the workspace and click trim comp to work area. In a composition will automatically be cut to the work area, but we don't want to do all that stuff. Let's quickly undo all of them by pressing CTRL+Z on your keyboard to undo any changes you made. For example, you can make a mistake like this. Oh no, I've cut it. Just press CTRL+Z to undo that. Now let's take more deeply example by adding another file. I will drag it into my composition. Position it right over here. Now for example, think that I want the files to start over here. I don't want this overlay file to start over this position. I want it to start over here. So to do that, to trim a single video from the beginning, select the video file, press Alt plus square bracket open button to cut it from the beginning. Now for example, think that I want the video to end over here. I don't want to be playing forever. So to trim a video from the end, to trim a single individual video from the end, just press Alt plus square bracket close button, and it will automatically be trimmed. Now let's get on with another type of keyboard shortcut. Is while holding the shift key on your keyboard, click and drag the timeline indicator while holding the shift key, and you will notice that the timeline indicator goes and stops at a default position in the timeline. Now if I don't press and hold the shift key, you will notice that the timeline indicator is not totally that much aligning with this start point and with this end point. So to do that, for anything you like, just look, I am trimming the null. Now I want the timeline indicator to be stopped right at the null. To do that, just press and hold the shift button and then move the timeline indicator, and you will notice that the timeline indicator jumps to the individual place at the default place. So I'm moving and the timeline indicator jumps to that start point. If I move more further, it jumps to this start point. Like this it happens. And these are some of the best keyboard shortcuts I like. Another keyboard shortcut I really want to discuss with you, the main thing is this duplicating layers. So for example, you can find this video. Now I want this video another place over here, both at the same time. So duplicate a layer having all the keyframes added to it. Just click on the file, press CTRL+D to duplicate the file. And now you can press this one over here, that one over there. Let's watch it more clearly. And some other keyboard shortcuts are these tools keyboard shortcuts. Maybe you need these tools Q, G. You can see for many types of advanced masking you need to use the predefined pen tool. The pen tool is very much good for mask. So to select the pen tool, simply press G on your keyboard. For the predefined tools, rectangle tools or any other ellipse tool, just press Q. And for the pointed selection tool, just press the V on your keyboard. This will increase the faster workflow to your Adobe After Effects. For example, you must input some VFXs to your short films. Your workflow will simply be accelerated. For example, just press G on your keyboard to quickly switch between pen tool, then press V to go to again selection tool, Q, then we have gone to the circle tool, hexagonal, square, star, and press again V to get back to the pointy tool. And like this you have to manage your workflow in Adobe After Effects, and it's totally that much awesome. These are the main shortcuts of Adobe After Effects. So thanks everyone. If you have any questions, leave them all in the section below, comment section. If you indeed have this tutorial, click the like button and subscribe for more videos. So until next time, I am going to be seeing you later.